The world might not know it yet, but this tiny YouTube channel, Microcosmic Mirror, is destined to go viral. Why? Because I've harnessed the power of this esoteric knowledge that guarantees success. It's more than confidence, it's destiny. The first principle I use is the law of assumption. By embodying the belief that my channel is already thriving, I'm actively creating that reality. This is more than positive thinking. It's a fundamental shift in consciousness where success becomes inevitable. Combined with the law of detachment, I release any attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean I'm indifferent. It means I trust that the universe will deliver in its own time and way. By letting go, I free myself from anxiety, allowing creativity and inspiration to flow naturally without the burden of overthinking. Even as my videos receive little attention, I proceed as if they have millions of views. I will not let results or the lack thereof influence me, but rather, I will forge ahead until I meet my destiny, enjoying the journey every step of the way. Next comes the law of character, the idea that success isn't just about what you do, but who you become in the process. I'm cultivating the mindset, discipline, and qualities of someone who can sustain viral success. This isn't just about gaining subscribers, it's about evolving into a person worthy of the platform I'm creating. Creative visualization is another powerhouse technique I employ. I don't just imagine my channel's success, I live it in my mind daily. I see the subscribers rolling in, the comments section filled with gratitude, and the videos reaching audiences who resonate with the content deeply. The more vividly I visualize, the more energy I put into manifesting that vision into reality. Finally, there's the law of least effort. This doesn't mean I'm lazy, it means I'm aligning my actions with the path of least resistance. When you're in tune with your purpose, things happen with ease. I'm not grinding for success, I'm flowing towards it, knowing that the universe supports my mission. By applying these spiritual principles, I've removed the guesswork. My channel will go viral, not by chance, but by design. The spiritual practices I teach on Microcosmic Mirror are the very tools ensuring my success. Watch closely as this tiny channel becomes a powerful force in the world of esoteric wisdom. So are you ready to witness this transformation? Let me put your doubts to rest. Hit subscribe and join me. Let's take this journey to spiritual growth and personal success together.